Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about eukaryotic cell structure. Under this, the very first one, cell wall. Eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells possesses well-organized nucleus, membrane-bound cell organelles and cytoskeletal structures. They are found in protista, fungi, plants and animals. Plant cells are characterized by cell wall and large central vacuole. Animal cells are devoid of cell wall and consists of small vacuoles. Eukaryotic cells are further divided into plant cells and animal cells. Eukaryotes are eukaryotic cell derived from Greek word eu means true, karyon means nucleus. The cells which contains true nucleus are called eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells contains well-organized nucleus, membrane-bound cell organelles, and cytoskeletal structures. Kingdom Protista, fungi, plantae, animalia. All these contains eukaryotic cells. Here, plant cells contains cell wall and large central vacuole. But in case of animal cell, they lack of cell wall and contains small vacuoles. Eukaryotic cells further divided into two types, plant cells and animal cells. Cell wall. Cell wall is the outer protective non-living rigid covering of the plant cells, fungi and some prokaryotes. Cell wall was first observed by the scientist Robert Hooke in cork tissue of oak tree, Quercus superplant. Cell wall is absent in animal cells, gametes and some zoospores. Fungal cell wall consists of polysaccharide fibers with either chitin or cellulose. Cell wall is outermost layer, protective layer, non-living layer, rigid layer which covers plant cells, fungi and some prokaryotes. Cell wall first observed by the scientist Robert Hooke. Cell walls are absent in animal cells, gametes and zoospores. Fungal cell wall composed with chitin. The cell walls of algae contain cellulose, galactans, mannans, and minerals like calcium carbonates. In higher plants, the cell wall fibers are made up of cellulose and are embedded in a highly cross-linked matrix of polysaccharides like pectin, lignin, and hemicellulose. Cell walls of algae composed with cellulose, galactans, mannans, and minerals like calcium carbonates. The plant cell walls majorly composed with cellulose, pectin, lignin, and hemicellulose. Cell wall is usually permeable, but superized cell walls are impermeable. Cell wall is secreted by protoplasm. Structure. Cell wall consists of three layers. The cells of the plant tissue generally remain cemented together by an intracellular matrix known as middle lamella. Cell wall is usually permeable. If in case it is superionized, that cell wall is impermeable. Cell wall is secreted by protoplasm. Cell wall consists of three layers. Very first one, middle lamellum. It is an intercellular matrix lies between the adjacent plant cells. Middle lamellum is thin, amorphous, cementing layer and made up of mainly calcium pectate. The calcium and magnesium ions helps in cross-linking the pectic compounds binding to the adjacent cells. It is developed from cell plate which is formed during cytokinesis of the cell division. Vesicles of Golgi complex secrete the cell plate during cytokinesis. Primary cell wall. Primary cell wall is an intercellular matrix lies between the adjacent plant cell. It is thin, elastic and allows the cell for elongation. Primary cell wall consists of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectic substances and proteins. It is composed of an intricate network of cellulosic microfibrils in gel-like pectinaceous matrix. Meristematic cells and cells of parenchyma contain primary cell wall only along with the middle lamella. Secondary wall. In some of the plant cells, after completion of cell expansion, it is formed inner to the primary wall. It is thick, rigid, and composed of compact microfibrils of cellulose in which the matrix is formed by cellulose and other polysaccharides. It is impregnated by various types of cell wall materials in different types of tissues. Secondary cell wall shows three layers in majority of the tracheids and fibers. They are outer layers S1, middle layer S2, and inner layer is S3. Among these three layers, middle layer S2 is thickest one. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of secondary wall, which is composed with S1 layer, outer layer, S2 layer, middle layer, S3 layer, inner layer. Among these S1, S2, S3 layers, S2 is thickest layer. Cell wall materials and cell type. Lignin, generally present in sclerenchyma, trachy elements of xylem, wood parenchyma, hardwood. Soberin, generally present in exodermal cells of root and cork cells. Lignin plus soberin, generally seen in endodermal cells. Chitin, generally seen in fungal cells. Cutin, generally seen in cuticle or epidermal cells. Tertiary cell wall. It is usually lies inner to the secondary cell wall in some plant cells. It is made up of cellulose and xylem, generally seen in tracheids of gymnospermic plants. Few things about cell wall. Very first one, symplast, inner space. Plasmodesmata produces living continuum called symplast, includes plasma membrane, cytoplasm, tonoplasm, etc. Apoplast, outer space, the non-living continuum of plant cells made up of cell walls and intercellular spaces is called apoplast. Primary pit fields, unthickened areas in primary cell wall are known as primary pit fields. Pits may be developed in these fields. Up to here, unthickened areas part 1 was completed. Secondary cell wall. In next video, I will explain about cell pits of the adjacent cells generally occur exactly opposite and form functional pit pairs. The cavity unthickened area of secondary wall